Hello students and welcome to the lecture. So students, as we know that we have started the examples and solutions of various topics, and in the previous lecture we had covered for the art and culture. Okay, so in this lecture basically we are going to proceed with the civics part. Okay, we will cover 15 question in this lecture, 15th question in the next lecture. All right, and either we will learning the new things or we'll be revising the previous things which we had already covered. Okay, and our time period for 40, 30, 20 and 50 seconds will be remain as it is. Okay, this lecture is going to very important from the examination point of view, so please pay your attention here. With this note, let's start this session and let's go. Here the first question we have is: President of India is elected by Prime Minister, Parliament, State Legislature, or the Electoral College. 40 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. The time's up and the correct answer is D. Electoral College. Basically the President of India who is considered as a head of the state. Head of the state. Okay. Is elected by the Electoral College, which comprises elected members of Parliament and elected members of legislative assemblies. Okay, only these people can participate in the president elections. Okay, elected members of the Parliament and elected members of the legislative assembly. Let me write out again. Legislative assembly. All right. And if we talk about the presidential election, then basically it was taken out from Ireland Constitution. All right. So remember all these details. And if we talk about the Prime Minister, then he is basically the head of the government. Okay. So remember all these details which I have told you here. Okay. Let's move forward. Second question we have. The term of office of the President of India is 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The correct answer is B. The President of India is basically elected for the term of 5 years. Okay, he could be remain as a president for 5 years. Suppose if this is Mr. X, okay, and he has been elected as a President of India for 2002. Just an example. Then he will continue as a president till 2005. Okay, in 2005, again presidential elections will happen. Okay, and thereafter again the new president will be elected. But remember one point here: president is eligible for reappointment. It means that the person who has served the country as a president once, he could be participated or could be elected as a president of India for another term. Okay, it means that Mr. X, if he had served the India from 2000 to 2005, then again he could take participate in the elections of 2005, and there are chances that he could be elected again. Okay, so remember these details. And this 5-year tenure is actually mentioned in Article 51 of Indian Constitution. Okay. Now, third question we have: Vice President of India is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, Planning Commission, Election Commission. Okay. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The time's up. Correct answer is Rajya Sabha. Okay. Vice President is basically the ex officio of Rajya Sabha. Okay, and chairman of Rajya Sabha, you can call him. Okay, and basically there is a system. Like in Lok Sabha, there are two people who manages the Lok Sabha. First is the speaker. Second is the deputy speaker. Okay, similar thing happens in the Rajya Sabha. Chairperson or chairman is the Vice President of India, or you can say whosoever is be elected as a Vice President of India will serve as a chairman of Rajya Sabha. And the second one is deputy chairman. Deputy chairman. Okay, and remember one thing: suppose if president office is vacant. If president office is vacant, in this scenario, vice president in this scenario, vice president will act as president of India. Okay, but for how many time, or how much time, you can say how many days, how many years? Only for 6 months. Okay, so it means that somehow the office of president is vacant. In this scenario, the vice president will be act as a president for almost 6 months. It means that anyhow the president office should be filled again within a 6 months. And remember, when the vice president will be acting as a president of India, then he could not exercise his power as a chairman of Rajya Sabha. In this scenario, the deputy chairman will be taking over the Rajya Sabha proceedings. Okay, so remember these points. Now, fourth question we have: minimum age required to become the Prime Minister of India is 25 years, 30 years, 35 years, 40 years. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The time's up. Correct answer is A. 25 years should be the minimum age for a people or for a person to become a Prime Minister of India, who is the head of government. Okay. Now my question is, Prime Minister is appointed or not? Okay. This question I have told you so many times, so now I expect the correct answer from all of you. Prime Minister is appointed or not? 25 second special time you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Time's up. The correct answer is he is appointed. Okay. And who appointed the Prime Minister? President of India. On majority party basis. All right. The President of India appointed the Prime Minister on the majority party basis. All right. Okay. Now, let's move forward. Fifth question we have. Constitution of India was adopted on 15th August 1947, 26th August 1950, 26th November 1949, 2nd October 1952. 40 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. The time's up. Correct answer is 26 November 1949. Okay. Now remember the timeline which I had told you. First of all, the Constitution of India was framed by Constituent Assembly, which was appointed within a cabinet plan in 1945. Okay. First meeting of Constituent Assembly was happened on 9 December 1946, in which objectives and resolutions presented. Okay. It is the first time. Second was 13th December 1946, when the objectives and resolutions were passed by the assembly. Okay. Third point. It was on 24th November, or you can say 26th November basically, 1949, when the constitution was adopted. Okay. Thereafter, it was 24th January 1950 when the constitution was signed by all the members of the assembly. Okay. And fifth point was 26th January 1950 when the constitution was implemented. Okay. So remember these deadlines. If we go with these timelines and datelines, then we will found the constitution was adopted on the 26th November 1949. Okay. So these are the details I had shared with you. Question number 5th we have, preamble to the Constitution of India declares India as a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, sovereign socialist secular democratic monarchy, sovereign capitalist secular democratic republic, sovereign communist secular democratic republic. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. Correct answer is A. And basically the preamble to the constitution is based on the objectives and resolutions. All right. Objectives on the resolution. Okay. These are the features of the constitution. Okay. But what about the aspirations? Like what are the ideas to be adopted? So the aspirations of constitutions are justice, equality, integrity, and fraternity. All right. So remember, these are the features of constitution and these are the aspiration or the ideas to be achieved. Okay. 7th question we have, directive principle of state policy enshrined in which part of the constitution? Part 1, part 2, part 4, part 6. 40 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. The time's up. Cor- Correct answer is fourth. It is basically enshrined in the part of 4. Okay. And it is also taken from Ireland Constitution. Okay. So if we talk about the directive principle of state policy, which is also known as DPSP. So they are the ideal principles for the state or government to make laws and rules to work upon. Okay. So basically these are the ideals. These are the ideals and principles for the state or government to make the laws and rules to work upon. All right. Remember? Okay. And K.T. Shah, he basically made a very famous statement about the DPSP. It says that DPSP is a check which is payable on bank's convenience. All right, because it is non-enforceable in court. So that's why K.T. Shah said DPSP is just like a check which could be only paid when the bank wants to pay it. Okay, in simply means they are the laws and regulations, or they are the idols for the laws and regulations implemented only if the government wants to implement them. And you cannot challenge the government because DPSP are non-enforceable in court. Okay, you cannot make them enforceable. So that's why K.T. Shah said this about DPSP. Okay, and DPSP is basically divided into 3 parts: liberal principles, okay, thereafter Gandhian principles, okay, third are social principles. All right, let's move forward. 8th question we have: fundamental rights are enshrined in which part of the constitution? Part 1, part 3, part 4, part 6. 30 seconds you have to think and answer, and your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The time's up. Correct answer is part 3. Okay. So the fundamental rights, there are 2 things about them. First, they are qualified, not absolute. Okay. Second, they are enforceable in court. Okay. And there are total 6 fundamental rights which we have. First is our right to equality. Second is our right to freedom. Okay. Third is our right to religion, right against exploitation, right to cultural, and right to constitutional remedies. All right. So these are the fundamental rights. Okay. They are qualified, not absolute, because they could be restricted or certain grounds. Okay. And third, they are enforceable in court, as I have told you. And this right is basically covered under this part, right to constitutional remedies. Okay. I had told you about this. Okay. Now let's move forward. Ninth question we have: Supreme Court of India consists of Chief Justice and 26 judges, Chief Justice and 30 judges, Chief Justice and 35 judges, Chief Justice and 40 judges. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20. Time's up. Correct answer is B. Chief Justice and 30 judges. Okay. And you can say amongst these 30 judges, the senior most judge will be Chief Justice of India. Okay. 10th question we have: the Parliament of India consists of President, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, Vice President, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, Prime Minister, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, President, Vice President, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Again, 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20. The time's up. Correct answer is A. The Parliament of India consists of the President, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha known as Upper House. Lok Sabha is known as Lower House. Okay. Move forward. 11th question we have: Governor of a state is appointed by President of India, Prime Minister of India, Chief Minister of the state, Chief Justice of India. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20. Time's up. Correct answer is A. The Prime Minister of India will appoint the Governor of a state under Article 155 of the Indian Constitution. Okay. 12th question we have: minimum age required to become a member of the Rajya Sabha. It's very simple and the one word question. I had told you about this. So only 15 seconds you have. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th. Time's up. Correct answer is C, 30 years. Okay. Now the 13th question we have, minimum age required to become a member of the Lok Sabha is 21 years, 15 years, 30 years and 35 years. Again 50 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th. Time's up. Correct answer is 25 years. Okay. 14th question we have, the Finance Commission of India is appointed by or appointed every year basically. Second, 3, 4, 5. 15 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th. The time's up. Correct answer is D. So the Finance Commission of India is basically appointed by the President of India in every 5 years. Okay. And the head of the commission will be High Court Judge. Alright. Now the 15th question and the last question for this lecture we have, right to education is a fundamental right, directive principle of state policy, legal right, social right. 15 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th. The time's up. Correct answer is A. Okay. So basically first it was mentioned in the directive principle of state policy. But through 82 Amendment Act of 2002, it was transferred to the fundamental right or mentioned in the article 21A. Okay, so now it's a fundamental right to provide education up to 6 to 14 years of age. Okay. So students, in this lecture, we have covered the 15th questions of the civic part. Okay. In the next lecture, we will continue with the civics part. Till then, just revise all the facts and figures we have discussed in this lecture and prepare yourself for the next lecture. Okay. With this note, let's end this lecture and thank you.